The Shapes Create app is an augmented reality app that uses what is actually happening in real life, and you can create virtual experiences using your iPad. So you will have to enable the camera access if it's your first time opening the app. You have two options. You can make prisms or pyramids. Let's talk about prisms first. Do you see this green dot? That's going to be how you make the base of your prism. So you can make a rectangular prism, a cube, a triangular prism, and an octagonal prism. I think I just made that up. But all I do is tap where I want it. And the really cool thing about this app is that you can see in real life how long each side is. So that is actually 1.5 feet. So I'm going to make a cube. So I'm going to make each side 1.1 foot. So all I did was tap. So now I'm going to come down 1.1 foot, tap. 1.1 foot, tap. And now I have to join them all together. Tap. Do you see now that it turned yellow and I have these little right angles here? That's telling me that it's a perfect square. So now this is just a two-dimensional shape, right? It's flat. But to make it a prism, raise your iPad up and you can make it as tall as you want all the way to the ceiling. See, that's 8 point something feet. Or I can make it a perfect cube, and that would be 1.1. Tap. Now that I've tapped, you can actually see that it's about the real size of that chair. So this little stool. So now I'm going to show you how to make another type of prism. So I'm going to come to this prism, tap it. Now I'm going to just make a random one. So tap, 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 and join it all together. So it's a flat shape. Now I'm going to make it three-dimensional and bring it all the way up. How cool is that? So if I stand back here, that is 4.6 feet. That's almost 5 feet tall. And see how it actually is that tall in real life? I think that is just so amazing. So now if we want to do the pyramid, it's very similar. So you got to make sure you're on your dots, so it's not going to work. Let me find some different dots over here. I'm going to tap, and I'm going to make tap my base, tap, tap, tap. So I also want to show you, do you see how I have the angle markers right there? So I have a right angle and a right angle. Do you see how I do not have them on this side? That means those are not right angles. That's okay. I can always try again with the back button if I need to try again. So now I'm going to press the pyramid and I'm going to try and make right angles. 7, 7, undo. Anyway, 7 and 7. So then, just like you did with your other prism, now you can bring it up, bring it down, and tap when you like it. You do not have to make a square. You could make any type of shape on the bottom, any crazy type of shape, and that will turn into a pyramid as well. And you can now explore what it looks like. And there's my other shapes. They're going to stay where they are until you leave the app.